Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Philips Super Automatic Espresso machine with us in the shop. And pretty much it came because there was a few problems happening with the hot water spouts and all that. But as we look further into the machine, there was quite a bit of problems, so much so that the machine is outweighing, or the price of the repair would be outweighing the machine price. So one of the things is this grinder is completely unusable. When the grinder's broken, so it spills a lot of coffee into your machine. If you use it enough, your whole inside of the machine will be caked with coffee grounds, and that means your machine is going to start running improperly. And you could mainly see it through this hopper here. The hopper is detached from the grinder when it's supposed to be attached to it to make sure that no coffee gets into the machine, but it's completely broken, so you can't use it. We're going to try using pre-ground to do the test here. We're just going to do a test shot. We did send over an estimate with everything that we could have done, but it was, of course, it was declined. We just did cleaning, so I opened the lid, vacuumed, cleaned the whole thing out, so there shouldn't be any coffee inside of the lid. But now we're going to use pre-ground coffee from one of our grinders, and we're just going to insert it into the funnel. Make sure all of that goes down. And now we're going to hit the espresso that we want. We're going to do that. Then we're going to hold this button down until it goes to pre-ground. And now we're set to turn it on. Now we're going to start the pour. And as you can see, still working as intended. And that's about it for this quick fix. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.